I don't think that leaking an American diplomat's private information, pictures, names of their children, I don't think that that's a formal protest. How did you characterize the first sentence? Can you say that again?
It was the Chinese Foreign Ministry office in Hong Kong.
But what did you say that they issued you said, read your first statement again.
A formal protest?
Yeah. I don't think that leaking an American diplomat's private information, pictures, names of their children, I don't think that that's a formal protest. That is what a thuggish regime would do. That's not how a responsible nation would behave. Releasing any of that personal information of an American diplomat is completely unacceptable. That's not a protest. That's what a thuggish regime does, and it's unacceptable.
Thank you. Well, let's address the reason for the thuggishness, which is a meeting between a consular official.
Sure, I understand the question. This is what American diplomats do every single day around the world. American diplomats meet with formal government officials. We meet with opposition protesters, not just in Hong Kong or China. I mean, it literally happens in every single country in which an American embassy is present. So our diplomat was doing her job, and we commend her for her work.
不批告通太重了，往那边退一退，往那边退一退。刚才知识分子用砖头木棒攻击事件地升级，组织队随即组成正台推进，使用防火枪、口头肇事人员实施火力打击，同时推队强行驱散。今天使用的催泪弹是新型研制的一枚6响子母催泪弹，具有覆盖面广、驱散效果好功能。现在冲击再次升级，报复使用砖块。 攻击我地球！使用自制汽油弹、野马等攻击器材，对我队形进行攻击。现在抓捕小组前出，将为首的守分子进行抓捕。 骚乱事件得到成功处置。经过7年多的发展，深圳市公安局移动队伍总人数已经达到6000余人，实现了建制统一、编制科学、管理规范、专业性强、指挥顺畅的舰队目标。